Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd. I'd like to show you today how to use, for example, buttons on your website to trigger events like hiding or showing something. To create such a trigger event, you need two modules. At first, the element to which the event should apply. You can work with content boxes or templates here, and in your content box or template, you place your content as usual. I've already got prepared some example content. Then you open the tab Actions in the content box or template, create an event, and give a unique name to your trigger that you can reference later in the trigger picker. Then you define what should happen with your content box or template when the trigger is clicked. You have different possibilities to hide, show, open, or fold your element, and if you use single actions like hide or show, the event can only be triggered once. For example, you can use it to show an element which will then remain visible. And otherwise, you can use one of the double options. With those, the trigger button can be used several times and will alternate hiding and showing the element with each click. Down here, you define the starting state when the page is loaded. If you're using a single action, you should select the opposing event here. For example, if your action is show, then the initial state should be hidden, otherwise nothing will happen. The last option here enables you to also trigger neighboring elements. For example, if you have several content boxes in a column, you can hide all of them as soon as the triggered content box is shown. And that's it already. Now we need the trigger itself. Herefore, use our feature Trigger Picker, which is available, for example, for buttons or content boxes. Select the option Trigger Event and then select the trigger we've just defined or enter a new one here. You can also trigger already on hover, and this last option here triggers the event page-wide, which is important, for example, if your trigger button is placed in a template, whereas the trigger event is placed outside the template. For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.